So take for example, I want to poison this thing now, and this
Yeah.
is a sealed wine.
Mm-hmm.
So learn this now. I'm not showing these things that anybody may be afraid of me
Yeah.
or for anybody to start avoiding me. This is just my good way. Okay? So watch this now. Watch this. Emandeba anyị si na adodo pansi. Take for example, this is poison now.
Yeah.
So I will soak this my finger. Did you see the finger I presented? This last one.
Mm.
Now I will soak it here and dry it. I will dry this finger. Okay? I will dry this finger. This thing will dry. Now this poison alone now can take out 10 persons. How do I put it when I get to this place? This is the mystery you don't understand. I may bring out 21 years champagne. I mean, either 21 years or bring out any bigger champagne. For you to see that it's 500,000, 800,000, 300,000, 100 and something thousand, your mind will feel free because it is cocked. Now look at how I'll put this thing inside. I will open this one. Did you see this, my finger?
Yeah.
It's not working anything here. Now I will open it like this. Pour my own. In your presence and drink. While drinking, I want to cover it. Did you not see this hand?
Yes.
There, this hand, this finger appears. Just a drop of it like this. You understand? They may be talking or arguing. One can be better. This hand now, this hand is not touching the mouth. You understand? He will cover it and pour this drink for you.
Mm.
Did you pick something from this thing, sir?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So this is the reason why you must not go everywhere.
Exactly.
And I have done this thing on camera before, but let me explain to you. For benefit of those people that are still watching me here right away, you are still going to gain something now.
Of course.
Now, for example, for example, 80% of the herbal poisons, 80% of herbal poisons, if you notice it immediately, you have one thing that can cure it. To take care of it immediately. It is in your system. This is free of charge. I've done this on this page before, and I wish to repeat it again. For example, a lot of people don't know, but because people are watching me now, I have the need to gift them something they should appreciate God for. I'm not done with the JPAC issue. I will respond to that, but I just want to show you something.
Okay.
For example, 80% of the poisons you meet today, the one they give people to eat, hence it is related to herbal. If you have toothpick, for example, somebody will give you poison, drink the same poison, such as olibo taproot,
Okay.
nkume, otokoko. These are herbs. They are straight poisons. Just a drop of it like this. A drop of it like this. You remember this acid they put inside battery, electricians do test it, right? They will
Yeah.
touch it, dip something screwdriver inside and touch it on their lips and it will not hurt them. But if you try it, you have issues. So for example, sir, the poison drink can give to you. Maybe they use nkume to or olibo taproot, and so many other root or herbs they can use. They use one thing to neutralize it. Look at what I want to do now. Watch what I want to do. Did you see?
Yeah.
Watch what I'm doing. If you put it inside your mouth, the way it will even taste will show you that something to look as if you just finished brushing teeth. You understand? So somebody may give you poison and still test that poison and go away there, nothing happens to that person. Ihe a na-akpọ ya n'Igbo bụ ajụ nsị ahụ. So no matter how smart you are, you must not be everywhere. That was my concern. That was why I complained about that JPAX movement. You understand? Nothing more. And I'm not against him, and I wish not to talk about that too much. Thank you, sir.
Okay. The people's governor. Let it not be that I did not ask you this question because it's not that I'm desperate to know anything concerning it, but I just want you to throw more light on it. People are saying that you are Akozion's advocate.
Akozion's what?
Advocate. You are Akozion's ally. Sorry, ally. You are Akozion's ally. And something happened, and I saw it on social media. And let me come clearly to you now and say it to you, because truth, I believe, is the only way to success. And the truth is bitter. It's bitter. No two words about that. If you say the truth, it's like you have done something. You have done something that nobody has ever done. You have committed sacrilege. But the truth remains that you say the truth, irrespective of anything that comes out of it. Now, see it from this angle. Zion the other made a promise regarding to a child that had that his legs were broken during the arrest of Matthias. Owekwankwa 1 million. Inyaha 1 million. Inyaha 1 million. And no to give them 1 million. Messia, yeah, we're 500,000 when he went to visit the boy. And Matthias, when he came on social media, he said he was on transit. He's on his way home or something, or to a function, I wouldn't know. But he said that he was on his way when his followers called him that Akozion came. And before then, he said, and I quote, Akozion told him that Akozion called him that he's on his way coming to see the boy. And he told Akozion categorically that he is not around, that he's on transit, that he's going for a function or